Hi, I'm Trunal, CEO and co-founder of Clazar. Clazar helps ISVs streamline and automate cloud sales and grow revenue on cloud marketplaces. If you're selling on the AWS Marketplace, you've likely heard the term private offers. It's a powerful way to negotiate custom deals directly with your customers. Let's break down how they work. Private offers are essentially customized contracts that allow you to set special pricing or terms for specific customers, all within the AWS Marketplace ecosystem. Here's how they work. First, you, the seller, creates a private offer from your listing in the AWS Marketplace management portal. Second, you define the buyer's account ID, custom pricing, duration, and terms. Third, AWS generates a secure private offer URL that you share with the buyer. Fourth, the buyer accepts it in their AWS account console. And fifth, once accepted, AWS handles billing, invoicing, and you receive the payment through the normal disbursement cycle. Private offers are essentially useful for the following: enterprise customers requiring tailored pricing and contract terms, multi year or volume based deals, or channel partner motions through CPPO. And CPPO is Channel Partner Private Offer, which is the channel motion for AWS. To sum it up, private offers enable custom pricing for individual buyers. AWS still handles billing and payments, no separate invoicing required. Use them to close large or strategic enterprise deals efficiently. And last but not the least is CPPO extend this concept for even larger channel-led motion that you have inside the company. Private offers combine the flexibility of direct negotiation with the trust and simplicity of AWS billing. They are one of the best ways to accelerate enterprise transactions inside of the AWS Marketplace. If you still have any questions, work with Clazar implementation expert to launch on AWS in a couple of weeks or less.